Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you Bolt versus Lovable versus Replit, Best AI Web Developer. Choosing the best AI web developer depends on your needs. As each tool has unique strengths, Bolt turns plain English prompts into fully editable websites with design, layout, and copy, no coding required, ideal for creators or entrepreneurs. It offers fast site generation, an easy editor, and integrated hosting but isn't suited for web apps or complex backend logic. Lovable targets startups and creative businesses, generating branding elements like logos, color palettes, and typography while building your site. Stylish designs and content generations are its strength, but it's less flexible for existing brands or interactive apps. Replete with Ghostwriter is an IDE for developers, supporting front and back end coding, multiple languages, and AI assisted code. You can deploy apps and games, but it's not no code and requires building UI from scratch. In short, choose Bolt for no code sites, Lovable for AI driven branding, and Replete for full developer customization. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.